Brief accurate and important news of today's Sunday. Acting Minister of Foreign Affairs Maulavi Amir Khan Muttaqi says, the Security Council's report that there is an Al-Qaeda group in Afghanistan but it is not a reality. Honorable Muttaqi added that the time has come for the world to interact positively with Afghanistan. Nuruddin Azizi, Acting Minister of Industry and Commerce, has talked over the international community's banking interaction with Afghanistan in a meeting with the UN Special Representative for Afghanistan Affairs. Ministry of Information and Culture, Minister of Youth Karim Muhammad Yunus Rashid has called on the youth of host to concentrate on education and contribute to the growth and development of the country. The Survey and Design Technical Team of the Ministry of Water and Energy completed a technical survey of a check dam project in the upper part of the Namak Water Project in Thahar Province. Officials say that this project is being done to reduce the risk of floods and protect the Namak Water Project. Officials of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Development told the nation in the State Accountability Program, currently there are 652 towns in the country, of which 350 towns have been registered and the remaining of the registration process in progress. Officials of the Ministry of Rural Reconstruction and Development told the nation in the State Accountability Program, in the past year, 393 water supply projects have been completed and handed over for benefit. The inhabitants of Kabul have appreciated the security forces for the enhanced overall security during the days of Muharram.